Hello and welcome back, everyone. This is Dosashi, and today I'm doing apparently a duo game um, versus squads, and I want to play some Firestar. The past few games that I've been playing, I got knocked out a bit too early. I did not manage to get into my mecha even. So hopefully this time I can, and I don't know why my teammate is going all the way over there. Let's try to stay relatively close because we're only with the two of us. Ooh, nice. Board immediately. Always good. Yep. Okay, that's looking pretty good so far. Let's do it like this actually. Firestar, yeah. I think Firestar um, always was a pretty fun mecha. Uh, but apparently, statistically speaking, it was underplayed, so they made quite a lot of changes to it. And I'm really happy with the changes. I played a couple of games before today, and the mecha feels way more smooth now in its handling. And I think one of the major changes is that now when you are in ball form, or swear form, I think they call it, um, you can. Oh, where did you go? All right, I got you. Goodbye. Um, right now, when you are in the ball, you can immediately, and you want to shoot yourself as a dash. Immediately, you can release the button uh, to dash. And before you had to, oh, let's swap that out. Before you had to hold it until it's fully charged before you can dash. And now when you hold it, you just deal more damage upon impact. And I think that's a really cool uh, change because now the mecha became even more mobile. And I think Firestar was already amongst the more mobile mecha out there, as it can go horizontal, vertical, diagonal, like it can get in a lot of different places. And now it's quicker in doing that, which I really like. And they also changed the modules. Let's help our teammate here. Some, okay, that was sweet. Oh, I could have maybe recruited this person. Are you shooting that thing? Okay. Can we recruit you? No. Goodbye. Ooh, actually, I will definitely take the iron cannon, actually. Um, and let's ping, actually, that there's an exploding sniper rifle, explosive sniper rifle over there for my teammate. So yeah, they changed the um, modules. I didn't take a good look at the normal modules yet, but the core modules, I had it once so far, and that's when you're in the ball form. I think it's core 2. You do continuous fire damage around you, which is amazing because as Firestar you prefer to be in people's faces anyway, and now with that module you're just doing a lot of damage. And the other one, I think it's core 1, allows you to use your fire flamethrower and your primary weapon at the same time, which is also an immense increase in damage potential if you're right in the face of your enemy. Ooh, a rainstorm shotgun, eh? I will definitely take that. So it's looking like my setup is looking pretty good here. Let's see if we can. Oh, wow. That's yeah, that's a beautiful. Sometimes sometimes I surprise myself. Sometimes in both ways also. Sometimes I surprise myself in how good my aim is, and sometimes I surprise myself in how horrible my aim is. But no problem. So we got core 2 now, which is nice. And actually, let's just jump into there, into the Firestar, and try it out. So core 2, as I said, tap the secondary button while in sphere form to shoot flames around you, dealing area damage and using up secondary weapon energy. So let's take a look at this. That looks so awesome. And it's pretty wide range actually. I like that. And let's also demonstrate the shooting. So I can see immediately I press the button and immediately we go. Which is really sweet. Let's see if I can also demonstrate if we go like this and we hold it. That's really cool. How the image also is shaking and everything. Feels really powerful. I like the visual design of that. Let's see if we can do some damage here. Also, I read that they changed like the collision algorithms and stuff, like to make sure that when the ball hits corners and stuff, oh yeah, that it bounces less, which I think is a welcome addition as well. Ooh, Venturus, yeah, Venturus also got quite a big buff. Bit unfortunate that just jumped in there right when I jumped out. So let's see what we can do here. Do you see that damage? I love it. Yeah, that like close range damage is amazing. Ooh, it's another. So everyone is trying out Firestar and Venturus apparently, which makes sense. Oh, I don't have to hold it anymore. I forgot for a little bit there. Let's get this Maya real quick. Let's have a little bit of a jewel over here. Yeah. Heal up. Ooh, something is dropping here. That is always nice. Someone is still attacking me there, which is all fine. No, let's get away from here. See, I can immediately get away. I love that. That's. I think it makes the hit and run feel of the mecha much better. So let's see if we can get back here. Where is everyone? Because he. Okay, that was a good impact. Okay. The Firestar is back right there. And let's go up there. They're chasing after, I think. I hear you somewhere near. Are you coming for the jewel, huh? I'm losing this one. Okay. Good for you. Oh no, my teammate. Let's see if I can help my teammate then. Okay, we managed to do it. They're coming after us. They are. Let's reload quickly. Take a safer position here. It's busy. Oh no, my teammate fell again. Quick. Oh, I need to get away from here. There's a Venturus. I will just see him. Okay. think I need to get away from here. There's a lot of Mecha. Friend, I don't know if I can save you there. There's a bit too many. There's also a ranger now. No, I need to go. I need to go. Bye. I'm sorry. Mm-hmm. I'm terribly sorry, but I had to leave you behind, friend. There's that Firestar. This time I get the opening shots. There's a Michael as well. I'll just let them dash it out a little bit. Come on. Oh, I like that flaming sphere. Catch people unexpectedly. Where? Oh, I see you. I'll get you. Come on. Why can't I kill them? Oh my god. Let's see if I can finish them off. It's busy. Oh, Snowick. Oh my god. That was exciting. Well, I hope you enjoyed this brief showcase of the Firestar changes. I still have to get used to it, but as you can see, it shows quite a bit more potential in its mobility, and it's also at the same time its damage output. So I think this mecha got improved quite a bit, and can definitely play it more as an assassin, also coming in, dealing a lot of damage, and then jumping out again. Come on, you got this. Nope, nope, nope. Yep. Alright, well played. That was a good game. And I hope you all enjoyed that. Let's take a quick look at the stats. It was unfortunate that I was alone there and that my teammate got knocked out so quickly. Not bad. Alright. Okay, I hope you all enjoyed it. I said it already many times, but I will say it again. I wish you all a beautiful day and hope to see you next time. Goodbye and peace.